In this video, I am going to tell you how you can sort dates in Google Sheets without using any formula. So you might have seen there are so many videos wherein formula is used, but I am making it simple. So I have written anniversary here in heading and here names. You can see these are the anniversaries of some people. So this is data which I want to sort. So what I need to do, I will select everything. So I will select this including the heading. So then I will go to this option data. So just tap on this. You can see there is an option of short range. So just tap on sort range, and at the bottom you can see advanced range sorting options. Just tap on this, and herein you need to select this option. Data has the header. So if you have a header like this anniversary name, so you can select this, otherwise you can leave this. So I have a heading, so I will choose this. So you need to sort by, you need to select anniversary because dates are here. I will not select names because dates are here in anniversary. So I can make it in ascending order or descending order. I can select from A to Z or Z to A. So just sort it. You can see lesson 1 1966 is showing first and 2007 is showing later on. So you can do it in the Z to A format as well. In the same way you can select Z to A. So just sort it. So now the latest one 2017 is showing and 1966 is showing at the bottom now. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.